Deuteronomy 21. Life, justice, and compassion in God's law. Moses told Israel that if someone was found slain in the open country and it was not known who killed him, the elders and judges were to go out and measure the distance to the surrounding cities. The elders of the city nearest to the slain man were to take a heifer that had never been worked and had not pulled a yoke, bring it down to a valley with running water that had not been plowed or sown, and break the heifer's neck there. The priests, the sons of Levi, were to come forward, for the Lord had chosen them to minister and to bless in his name. And by their word, every dispute and assault was to be settled. All the elders of that city were to wash their hands over the heifer, whose neck was broken, and declare that they had not shed this blood, nor had their eyes seen it done. They were to say, "Accept atonement, O Lord, for your people Israel, whom you have redeemed, and do not set the guilt of innocent blood in the midst of your people Israel." So the blood guilt would be atoned for. Moses said that Israel would purge the guilt of innocent blood by doing what was right in the sight of the Lord. Moses then spoke about taking a captive woman as a wife. If a man saw among the captives a beautiful woman and desired to take her as his wife, he was to bring her into his house, shave her head, trim her nails, remove her captive clothing, and allow her to mourn her father and mother for a full month. After that, he could take her as his wife. If later he did not delight in her, he was to let her go free and not sell her or treat her as a slave. Moses then spoke about inheritance. If a man had two wives, one loved and the other unloved, and both bore sons, the right of the firstborn belonged to the firstborn son, even if he was the son of the unloved wife. The father was not to deprive him of his rights. Moses then spoke about a stubborn and rebellious son who would not obey his father or mother. If he persisted in rebellion, his parents were to bring him to the elders of the city and declare his stubbornness. The men of the city were to stone him, so that evil would be purged from Israel and all would hear and fear. Moses also said that if a man was put to death for a crime and his body was hung on a tree, it was not to remain there overnight, but was to be buried the same day so that the land would not be defiled. Next comes Deuteronomy 22, where Moses gives laws about everyday responsibility, purity, and moral order.